All right, hey everybody, welcome back. I thought I'd walk you through a process of being able to write a book and then having it become a book on Amazon and also as an audiobook. And I also want to share with you something that I think is pretty interesting, which is that you can also upload your books to a place called Findaway Voices. And the benefit of that, I'll share with you in a moment. See, whenever I share or sell a book on Amazon, I have no idea who the person is. I don't know if they even listen to 2 minutes of the book. I don't know if they listen to all of it. I don't know if they skip parts. Right? I just have no idea. All that we see is that a transaction occurred and what country it's from. But I have no idea how old the customer is or what type of analytics information is there. So this is where this is good. With Findaway Voices, they actually have a thing called analytics. And every single week, they will release all the people that had downloaded my book. So let's just download one and you can see, all right, show in folder. So that's March whatever. Let's just open this up and you'll see. All right, now I'm just going to get rid of some of this data because we don't need to see this. You can see this is on Spotify also, not necessary. Let's just delete that. Here is the ISBN number, don't need this. Okay, so now let's get a really good look at what we got here. So there's the publisher, right? Reprogramming Mind. Here's the book title. And that's handy. Let's open that up a bit more. Author, okay, that's me. Okay. Let's just open up these titles all the way. Good, good, good. So here's what we got here. We can see that in this week, 20 books were sold. And this one, listeners in the United States, they're male and they're between the ages of 28 and 34. Yeah, okay, fine. Good, yeah, good. And minutes they listened to is 22 minutes. The next person listened to is, this one listened to many minutes. So this guy has listened, and I know it's a guy because it says male. He's listened to my hypnosis book 6.5 times. So he's listened over 1,000 minutes. Okay, so I would have never have known that from the Amazon analytics, right? But we can see that this book here was listened to 6.5 times. Now the benefit is that I've never done any advertising for any of these books, but now that I have these analytics, I can see that people in the United States that are maybe not the 17-year-olds, maybe not even the 18-year-olds, but the people over the age of, let's say, 28, 30, 35, that's probably the age range where they like me, where they're getting the most value from the books or from the content. Now, I would have never known this with just Amazon. Okay, so the way to go about this is to, you write your book, right? So this is my book about how to get over your ex in 5 hours. This is about using memory reconsolidation for amending memories that are related to your ex. So memory reconsolidation is just a natural process in the brain for updating memories that are relevant to the continuing experience of the organism. So I'm quite familiar with this topic. So I wrote a book about it. Now, the next part I did was I got a microphone, and you can just get one here from AliExpress. And this is the one that I used. I got this one as like 68 cents. And that was good enough. That was fine for being able to record audiobooks. So then once I had that file, I recorded it using Audacity, which is free software. So basically, you write your book and then you record it with Audacity. And, I use this type of microphone. And then those files, I uploaded them to Amazon, which is great. So that's good. But the other thing to do is to take those exact same audio files and upload them here to Findaway Voices. And then what they'll do is every single week that you have sales and transactions, they're going to show you what the analytics are. So you can see several other weeks here. This is for 2024, March 25th. This is for 2024, March 11th. This is for Again, March 25th, I guess I can close that. Yeah, leave. And so on and so forth, right down the line. So this kind of data is fantastic. And also, they will make the payments, which is handy. But what I really enjoy is, let me just go over to my sales. I'm just trying to get you some beefy numbers here. Let's take a look at, let's say, the last previous year, because we'll get more data this way. And what I want to share with you is that when you publish up to Findaway, is that sometimes your book will be borrowed in a library, right? So instead of people just buying the book, they can actually listen to it in a library. So I would have never have been able to have had that access. And if we take a look here, I mean, the royalties aren't huge, but you can see they begin to add up. So 49 cents, $1.89, 70 cents, $5 from Apple, 49 cents, $5, 35 cents, which may not seem like much, but when you consider where the places this is going, so Canada, India, United States, Great Britain, Australia, ZA, I don't know where that is, Zaire, IE, is that Ireland? I have no idea. I don't even know these countries, but the fact is that if you have an audiobook, it can be listened to all over the world and in libraries, and you can be getting a royalty not from the sales, but also from just somebody that's listening on a pay-per-use, right? So in particular, this book about how to get over your ex, chapter 4 deals specifically with using memory reconsolidation. So if someone just wants that chapter, they can go to the library, listen to it, and it's like 55 cents to me or whatever, 49 cents, and the audience gets to hear just exactly what they want. So this is something that would normally have not been available if you're just using Amazon. All right. So what I suggest is to upload your book to Audible, but when it comes to going on these other locations, let them upload it everywhere except for Amazon. So let me just share with you what I mean by that. So these are my 3 books that I've got published. And you'll see here when I take a look at the links, retailer links, that this goes to all kinds of places except for, so you can see here it says not distributed to the following partners, which is Audible and Amazon. And the reason is because the royalties pay more through Audible and Amazon than they do through Findaway. Okay, so basically I'm using Findaway for everywhere else, and I'm using Amazon as the major one. All right, so that's something to consider. But once my book is uploaded to Findaway, they will send it to Nook and to Kobo and to Walmart and Google Play and all these other places I've never even heard of. So let's just take a look at this one. So there you go, Kobo. I've never uploaded a file there, and yet my book is for sale on this space. And also for book covers, you can use Leonardo. Just using artificial intelligence for creating covers is pretty easy. So anyways, that's the whole deal, is to upload a book to Findaway Voices and also to Amazon, and you'll be able to get your book. You just read it, you record it, you edit it through Audacity, you use your inexpensive microphone, and you send your files up here to Findaway and to Amazon, and then boom, you're in business, right? Then you can be getting your analytics that shows you every single week who's downloading your book and for how long, the total minutes that they're listening to it, what countries, and then from there you'll have much better data as to the best ways to be marketing your book. All right, so I hope that helps, and if you're interested in learning more, just leave a question in the comments below, and I'll do my best to be able to answer you guys, and then we can take it from there. All right, this is DS Yvonne at reprogrammingmind.com. Bye for now.